Hey loves, I am making this video because I will be honest, I was going to write a post and then I thought, you know what, I've already confessed to being a slow typer. Fuck it. I thought I'd make a video. I just wanted to remind all of you wonderful people that on Monday, the coupon code for the Business and Creative Intuition Masterclass expires. And it's currently, so the coupon gives you $380 off for this masterclass. So the actual full price for it is $444, but you can get it for just $64 if you buy it before Monday. I'm pretty sure, I can't remember what time the coupon expires on Monday. It might be that it goes on the dot of Sunday night. I actually honestly can't remember without going and looking at my Podia account. So I will say, to be on the safe side, it possibly expires at midnight on Sunday. So you've got today and tomorrow, and that's GMT as well. Sorry, but yeah, GMT, because the clocks go back tonight. So I actually honestly can't remember whether that means we gain an hour. Okay, so you have an extra hour. You have an extra hour to buy it if you bought it tomorrow on what you would have had if the clocks weren't going back. So woohoo. But yeah, basically, if you are feeling foggy, having trouble working out what the fuck's your intuition and what the fuck is just your fear talking, which I know a lot of people have had issues with recently because of all the shit that's happened over the past 18 months or so, and the fact most people's nervous systems are on high alert and all this other stuff. There's energy work in the masterclass to help sort all of that out. There's also journal prompts and a PDF and various different, I basically recorded it and I split it into sections talking about intuition. There's energy work, really fucking powerful stuff I work with for myself that has made all the difference, as you can probably tell by my sunny demeanor. And I would hate for you to miss out if it's something that is going to be really useful for you. You'll know when you see this video. If you haven't seen the post I put up already, maybe your soul was waiting for a video from me. I have no fucking clue. So I'm making this video to let you know about all of this stuff. If you look around this, I'm going to put this on YouTube too, actually, because I haven't told anyone on YouTube yet about it. So those of you on YouTube, I'm so sorry I didn't mention this to you before. Basically, it was only a week-long offer anyway. It's a good idea to actually come and join my Facebook group, Be the Cake, if you want to know about stuff like this early, or sign up for my mailing list by getting yourself on board the free Gotta Have Soul course and saying yes to receiving emails, because all of my email list who said yes to receiving emails received that offer, because I send out emails about these things. So you can jump on that, get a free course, sign up for future emails, or you could just sign up for this and say yes to being on my list and getting emails in the future, basically, if you like my work. But yeah, jump on it. $64 rather than $444. Can't say fairer than that. And you will be so fucking clear afterwards. I was kicked up the arse by my soul to produce this because my soul could see what the fuck was going on out there in amongst you lot, basically, and wanted to produce this so that you can get really fucking clear on exactly what it is that you're literally being nudged to do and what things you need to be steering away from, and basically get on with living your life in a way that is aligned. Anyhow, I'm sending you all fucking loads of love. I will see you all anon, as they say. Have a wonderful weekend. Mwah! Bye for now.